looking at the grandma doing the water and the food.
So those are your chores for today, in each day, right?
Yeah, he eats a lot of food and water. I always make sure my water and my food. If we have food and Ricky has food, we eat.
Do you like your pet bird?
Oh, we rock right up
Good job now. Yeah, so he's up here.
the water first.
Okay, let's have you change the water.
Now we're gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay, we'll be waiting right here for you. You go change the water.
I cleaned it up.
Ugh.
I just washed it up. I need to just clean it off. I don't want it dirty. If this bowl is dirty, I gotta clean it up. Because I made a new one. So we can't mix it up. Okay. Let's do the food now. Let's open the food up. Look at it. It's nice and dirty.
So what do you do with that food?
Put in the garbage. Yes. This looks like mine. I'm gonna clean it in the sink.
Okay, you go do that.
Now I cleaned it up this new tank. Now we're gonna scoop it in this tank. Look, I just drop it. Now it's nice and dirty. Nice and dirty. Nice and dirty.
Oh, I think we need a little bit more. How about you hold it there, and Daddy will help you this time. Because we're running out of bird food. There, how about put that in there? Yep, you can still put the food there.
Now he's gonna go on my shuttle again.
Oh, no, look, he likes your new food. He's eating your food. Oh, you did good.
Lilliana's YouTube star. Please thumbs up and no thumbs down. So guys, I want to be good. If you like my video,